Dear Mamoni, ভালো আছো? আজ no message, no call. Back to old school letters. This Poila Baisakh is different, for sure. Not because I'm away, but because I feel closer than ever. The smell of mishti, the sound of laughter, it's all here. And you know what? I learned today's Himachal Day as well. Their dance, their joy, it reminds me of our para celebrations, you know. Maybe we're more alike than I ever imagined. Chandigarh University is surely a melting pot of diverse culture, and it helped me to see the world through a wider lens altogether. Shubho Noboborsho, Mamoni.
Ma, today I danced Nati in Punjab and also tasted Shandesh for the first time. I watched them celebrate Poila Baisakh with such love. It felt like a mela back home. Here cultures aren't just taught, they are lived. This place has given me friends from every corner and memories that feel like home. Chandigarh University isn't just my college, it's my family. And happy Himachal Day to you all.